Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Tools on a Budget. I just got back from Harbor Freight. Picked up the Bauer 20 volt impact wrench, the 1/2 inch and the 3/8 as well. Tomorrow we're gonna do a torque test of either this one or this one versus the Ryobi P261. So stay tuned and watch that. If you guys want to watch me unbox these, stay tuned. Alright, so let's unbox the 3/8 version. So you get a belt clip, comes in a baggie. The impact wrench itself. This is a 3/8 one. I think this one has like 325 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. We'll test that tomorrow. Now for the 1/2 inch. This one also has a belt clip. Also comes wrapped up in a little baggie. I believe this one's rated at 450. Let me double check. Yeah, 450 foot-pounds. It's actually pretty big. Tomorrow I'll be using a 3 amp hour battery. Biggest one they had at the store I went to. I might go try going to a different one tomorrow, see if I can get the 5 amp. And then I just bought the regular rapid charger, but I think it's only like an amp and 1.7. Yeah, it's only 1.7 amps. So this isn't really a rapid charger. So tomorrow we'll see the torque numbers. So let me know in the comments which one you guys want to see. These are brush tools. These are not brushless. Both of them are brushed. So I think a fair comparison for this one would be the Ryobi P261. For that one, I only have a 4 amp hour battery, but it should be fine. I mean, they're both they both have 2 rows of the 18650s, so they should be able to draw around the same amperage. So let me know which one you guys want to see. Stay tuned. Subscribe, comment, like. Don't forget to like the video if you like it. Thank you guys. Have a good day.